The next topic, the east flowing rivers, Mahanadi. East flowing rivers, Mahanadi. First one, the Mahanadi originated in the mainly for Sikawa, originated in Sikawa Hills and the Rajpur district, Chhattisgarh state. Mainly for this, the Mahanadi river originated near the Sikawa in Rajpur district of Chhattisgarh and flows through the Odisha. The Mahanadi total length of the 851 kilometers. The total length and the major tributaries mainly for in Mahanadi for the Sinath, Delan, Sattur. And IB. So these are the major tributaries of the Mahanadi. And Mahanadi get divided into several distributaries. Mainly for some of the tributaries also found in Mahanadi. First one is Baika. Second one is Birbura, Nan, and some other distributaries also found. All these tributaries form in the delta of Mahanadi, which is one of the largest delta in India. After that, the Mahanadi water enter into the Bay of Bengal. So mainly the Mahanadi, in this topic, mainly the Mahanadi originated in the Sikawa in Rajpur district of Chhattisgarh and flow through the Odisha. The total length of these 551 and the major tributaries and distributaries also found in these rivers flow in the Bay of Bengal. Next topic, the east flowing rivers, Godavari. So the Godavari is the largest river. 1465 kilometers. The longest river and the total length of the 1465 kilometers. Mainly for longest river, the total covering the areas of 3.13 lakhs. The total covering areas. The east flowing rivers, Godavari, the longest river in India. The longest river, the 1465 kilometers. The covering of the areas of 3.13 lakhs. The Godavari rivers also known as a Vritta Ganga. The Godavari also known as a Vritta Ganga. The Godavari rivers originated in this Nasik district, Maharashtra, and also a portion of the Western Ghats. It flow through the state of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. After that, reaching in the Bay of Bengal. The covering the state of mainly Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. After that, the Godavari rivers reaching the Bay of Bengal. And some of the tributaries also found in these regions. One is Purna. First one is Purna. Second one is Penganga. Third one is the Tal. and Salami. So these are the major tributaries for the Purna, Penganga, Pranida and Indravati, Tal and Salami. So these are the major tributaries of these Godavari rivers. After that is the Godavari rivers. After that is the divided into two part. It is called the Rajamundris. The mainly for the rivers near Rajamundri, the river near Rajamundri get divided into two channels. Is called a first one is the Gaudamis, second one is Vasitra, are the form of the largest one of the largest delta in India. The Kolleru Lake, a freshwater lake located in the deltic regions of the Godavari. Mainly in the topic, in this Godavari river originated in Nasik district in Maharashtra. After that, the flowing in the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and after that flowing in the Bay of Bengal. The Godavari river is also called a Vruddha Ganga, is originated in Western Ghats, and the east, the place of the Rajamundris is divided into two main part. One is the two main part, Gaudamis, another one is Vasita, are the two importance. After that, the Kolleru lakes also found in the fresh water in Godavari delta regions.